Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make lemonade at home only under $2. We will get 3 liters of lemonade with 1 orange, 1 lemon and 1 cup of sugar with 3 liters of tap water. It's really simple. Everyone can do it. If you are ready, let's start. There are only 3 steps. So first step is I'm going to cut lemon and orange into cubes. Okay, now we will put them into these plastic bags and now I'm going to put them into freezer until they get frozen. I put them into freezer 2 hours ago and they are ready and they are frozen and you don't need to wait like whole day. So time to blend it now. I have this kind of blender. If you have like Robocop or something, it will be really great because it's easy. Now let's put all of them in here. My blender is small. I will do 2 times and I will put my half of sugar. This half will be going to with this orange and lemon. Let's start. Gym, my workout, my morning workout. Woohoo! Hola! I will do same thing with the rest of lemon and orange. Now I can put this paste into this bowl. Okay. Okay, now my paste is ready. Now time to add the 3 liters of water. Now I'm mixing nicely. At this stage, I will just wait only 5 minutes. Okay, after good rest, we can strain them. I have bowl, strainer and pink chalk. The strainer is not enough because there are really fine paste. We don't want to mix with the lemonade. That's why I put some chalks. Okay, let's strain them. I will switch. Okay, I strained some of lemonade. Now I will pour into the jar. Hola! Color is really natural and then we will taste them soon. Okay guys, lemonade is ready, but final touch always important. I'm going to use a bit mint and slice of lemon. Wow! Now ready to taste. Oh. It's really good. If you want, you can put less sugar and more sugar. This is really good for me. As you can see, it's really simple and easy to make it. And when you get thirsty, just grab it and drink it. Like when you want to drink something with your breakfast, just take it from your fridge and then just drink it. Easy. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.